Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Tharf. Let's continue this interesting and adventurous story game and let's resume our story. Episode 2 Southern Sauce. Wait, are you two siblings? Obviously, there. What I've been told. My sister, the comedian. Where did you two meet? This is so surprising. She got two interest and love interest, and then she came to know both are siblings. About you two. Alia is a complete mystery. She got a New York but doesn't have any professional experience. You should see how well she cooked. क्या बात है. The impression जमा दिया. So great of Natalia. She'll be working in my kitchen as of tomorrow. Oyster supply. अब मुझे कल जल्दी उठना होगा. That means game. Really, I can't believe it. Oh, he's a boss now, but also a love interest. So I will not stay professional. I will flirt. I know he'll get fascinated because he's attracted to me. Good. Let's start with the first day. Oh, they are partying. Let's have a toast and to your new job. She is also surprised. I think she's cousin. Yeah. General manager, Lisa is a chef. Oh, she was searching about Sweet Johnny. I said, which do you like the most? Adam, both, Lisa. Well, I am a woman in this story, so I cannot get attracted towards women. Both, they can be injustice to one. So, to a man only I am attracted to. It's Adam. Yeah, it is my type. She understands her very well. It's late, we should be heading out. You should sleep for tomorrow. One more. We'll go then, okay? That's what you said last time. What should we do? This is the last time, I promise. Go to bed. Best I can suggest. Let's go back. That's so boring. But necessary. I have a good night's sleep. Tomorrow I have to be at my best. It is important to make impression. Oh, disappointed. No problem. See, I'm on time. And boss is impressed. Punctuality. I showed punctuality in my job. Let me introduce you to the team, okay? Oh, they are teammates, I think, other chef. And Lisa is the head. She started in the kitchen today. Newcomer. So what should be your first impression in a new place? Friendly, serious. I think it should be serious because friendly if I become then maybe ऐसा हो कि वो लोग इतना फ्रेंडली ना हो, उनका नेचर हम जानते नहीं, तो सीरियस होते हैं पहले फिर फ्रेंडली होंगे. Nice to meet you. I am 2 at a service. Wow. Wow. Anton is impressed. Welcome, Natalia. Time to gain more experience and to gain popularity. This is Anton. Sous chef. Oh, he's a sous chef here. Manages the staff. But why isn't this girl standing in this position? I think I mean in the right corner. Is she jealous or what? Oh, her name is Jane. She's an expert in international cuisine. Wow. Now she's smiling, but still she's looking jealous. Is she? I'll dare introduce you to the rest of the team. Nice. Back to business. What's wrong with them? We cannot draw the dish. अब क्या करेंगे? I've got this. Natalia can make it. Oh, ये तो बहुत बड़ी responsibility है. Let's time to show her talent. She's jealous. मेरे को लगा था she is a jealous type woman. But let's see क्या होता है. Everyone has their own process. That's right. I'm confident that she can do it. What do you say? Are you up for the challenge? How can I say no? Definitely, I will say ki challenge accepted. Yes, show them you can. I want that. Of course, you won't regret it. Very good. Everyone get back to work. Now time to do many things. Welcome home. She came by referral. That's cheating. She won't last much here. I think it's soon to judge. He understood that she's talented, but that girl is really jealous. I think it's a challenge. It looks good. Thanks, Chef. What's next? The cream, it slowly add while stirring constantly. Pay attention to the texture. Never stop stirring. You should take advice from this sous chef. I hope I can also learn something to cook. Hello, can I try it? This is delicious. Wow, impression जमा लिया. Thanks. Congratulations, your sauce is fantastic. Now she is jealous. know how to make gumbo. What is gumbo? Chalo, I think it is also a dish. Go back to the menu and I like you to handle it. Wow. You can count on me. Yes, you can. I like your attitude. You have a new challenge to the kitchen. Oh, she is going to do something wrong. Perfect. I'll handle. Now I hope I know something will happen wrong. Please don't leave her. Ah, shit. Tell this good news to grandma. She will motivate you. This is awful. I didn't touch it. Ah, I know. You did it. I don't know nothing. Your it's your problem. Wow. इसे कहते हैं एक तो चोरी ऊपर से सीना चोरी. Hmm. Let's try to fix it. क्या करें और? Let's do it. More enough time. Let me try it. अरे भैया क्या होगा? अच्छी लगेगी या नहीं? अच्छी लगेगी या नहीं? थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग फुल वीडियो. अब इसके आगे की स्टोरी जानने के लिए प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आगे की स्टोरी आपको ज़रूर पता चलेगी. विल रिटर्न सून.